Hi guys, today we're gonna make soap from by using this experiment kit, and these are the things we will use. This is the measuring cup. This is the clear soap base. This is the jasmine oil. This is this thing is to make soap shapes. This is a knife. This is a stick to stir it. These are the colors to put in the soap. First of all, we are going to take this measuring cup and these clear soap base, and we are going to put 6 of these clear soap base. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's close it and put the color inside it. Now we're gonna put the cup in the microwave for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes till it melts. If it doesn't melt, you have to put it for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna put 5 or 6 drops of the jasmine oil in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're done. Now we're going to stir this until you don't see any hard spots. You're gonna stir it. Done. Now we have to put the liquid inside one of these shapes. Let's put this star one. And now we're done. Now we're gonna wait until 1 hour. Now the soaps are dried. We made another one for an example. We used the same steps we did with this one, but we just changed the color. Now we're gonna take them out. This is our flower soap. Now we're gonna take out the other one. And these are the final results of the soap we were making. And I hope you like our video and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye.